Hi, welcome back. We're going to start on the second part of our resume, the professional summary. This used to be called the objective section, but we've moved away from that because in the olden days, we had to tell the employer what we wanted because we didn't have that computer system matching it up. So we had one resume, we photocopied it, typed it on a typewriter, photocopied it at the library, and sent it out. So they had to know if we were looking for full-time or part-time or what kind of resume they were looking at. We don't need to do that anymore. So we switched to professional summary. You'll hear a career summary, professional profile section. And this section is just really a great place to lead with some of those keywords that you're finding from the job description. I'll show you a quick 3-sentence formula to help you write the best professional summary that's quick and easy and low stress. Thanks so much for joining me. All right, we're gonna start with our same old document here. I press enter, and then if you notice, we got a little bit of is that a unique space or was it just one down? So I'm gonna go my paragraph, check 0, 0, single spaced, all good. We wanna keep everything 0 single space so that it's just easier for you when you make updates. So again, this is called the professional profile, and that is already bolded for me. And of course, we can choose later on if we want to keep this here or if we want to move it into the middle, but we'll start with the left aligned. A lot of that formatting stuff you can go back towards the end of your resume. Speaking of which, not a bad idea to wait until the end of your resume to write this section as well. Some people like to have the broad idea and narrow it down. It just depends on you and the job and what process would be best. So professional summary, we're going to start with an identity. Define yourself as a professional. Are you a certified something? Are you a recent graduate? These are all things that we can talk about as your identity in this first part of the section. So I'm going to switch to another document, certified medical assistant. So that would be the identity portion of this. And then the next portion, we're going to talk about either a background, a education in, or if you have a certain expertise in anything. So this person experience with geriatric populations in a hospice settings. So now this sounds really good, but we don't know a lot of details if it's 1 year, if it was a semester of a certain kind of internship or anything like that, and that's okay. We were just, again, matching it to that job description. Known for demonstrating excellent customer service skills and organization skills. So those are skills that they listed right in the job posting. I left those right out, put them in. So that known for. So this is easy. So the next time this person can apply for something, this might say, something maybe like a bedside manner or building patient rapport. So easy, quick to make those quick switches so that you are matching your resume to that job description easily. Able to would be the third part. So we have known for, we have your identity with some type of background, we have known for it, and we have able to. Apply the knowledge of HIPAA and medical terminology. These were phrases right from the job posting. And again, we're going to add a little bit of a result here to ensure confidentiality and accuracy. If we go compare that to this other example I wrote, sales executive with 10 years of experience. So again, we see right there, that's our identity, how we're defining yourselves, and hopefully you want to use something that's pretty closely related to the job posting, job title. If it works out exactly, that's great, but it might not always make sense for you. So again, what works best for you? You have a lot of latitude in this. 10 years experience and a background in healthcare related product launches. So we're talking about sales. So whatever their expertise or the kind of the reason why that person was attracted to the job, known for building strong networks across departments and maximizing advertising budgets. able to utilize database systems, and we're going to add a little bit of that result here, to create informed decisions which benefit the entire organization. So we kind of made the story of someone who, yes, they work as a sales executive, but they're really about like team building and position the job seeker in that role and as that kind of person. So let's stick with our certified medical assistant. I'll go ahead and copy that. I'm just going to copy and paste this one. We're going to remember that our font size is 11. Oh, we see we have two different fonts there. So we want to make sure that we keep the font size in 11. All right, so hopefully that is your next step. Hopefully it's not too difficult. If you are having trouble, I definitely recommend that you talk it out with a friend, ask them, what do you remember about me working there? And see what they reflect back to you. Sometimes even our biggest challenges can be really something that can be really beneficial in our resume because we talked about overcoming a challenge. All right, thank you everyone, and I'll see you for the next section, education. Goodbye.